Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some super easy and delicious coconut paletas. They're so cool, so refreshing, and they're just perfect for summer. So in case you guys want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe, you're going to need 2.5 cups of whole cold milk, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of table cream, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 package of coconut flavored maizena, and 1 cup of sweetened shredded coconut. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is mix our maizena with 1 cup of cold milk. So we're just gonna mix it until we don't have no clumps. So once it's all mixed, we're just going to reserve it and start working on the rest of our ingredients. Okay, so that should look like that. Alright guys, so now in a pot on medium heat, we're going to add our 1.5 cup of milk, our table cream, our coconut milk, and our maizena mixture. Our 1 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend, our half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and our sweetened coconut. So now we're just gonna mix it all. And you guys, because we are messing with milk, you just wanna continue mixing it for about 10 minutes. Okay, you do not wanna let your milk come to a boil, otherwise you're gonna have a mess, and we don't want that. So just keep mixing it for about 10 minutes. Mixture has gotten a little thicker, and that is what we want. So now we're going to add our sugar. So now for some of you guys, 1 cup might be a lot. You guys can, just keep on adding the sugar and just taste it, to your liking. But for me, 1 cup is fine. So we're just gonna keep mixing it for about 1 more minute, and then we're gonna turn it off. Everything's dissolved, and you can see it has gotten a little thicker. So we're gonna turn it off. And let me tell you guys that it smells so good right now. Alright guys, so now we're just gonna let it cool down for at least 20 minutes, and then we can start working on our popsicles. Alright guys, so it's been 20 minutes and this is what our mixture looks like. It's already been cooled down a little, so I'm just gonna mix it. Just give it one last mix before we start putting it in our little popsicle trays. Okay, so that's what it looks like now. So I'm going to use these trays here. You can find them at Walmart for only 97 cents. And let me tell you that they're perfect if you have little kids. And this mixture, you guys, is enough for 3 of these little trays. Okay, so, and I like to use a spoon. In there. So I like to use a spoon, just to put my mixture inside my little popsicle trays. This part can be a little messy, but it's okay. Just clean it as you go, or just wait till the end. So I'm just gonna fill it up all the way to the top. And the little trays, I don't know if you can see, but it has like a little line here, so that's just where I'm gonna stop. Okay, so I'm gonna fill them up, and we're just gonna repeat the process until we don't have no more mixture. Alright guys, and this is what my little trays look like. And now we're just going to freeze them overnight or for at least 8 hours. Alright guys, so my popsicles are ready to be enjoyed. I just run them in hot water just for a few seconds just to loosen them up. And this is what they look like. Voila! Super creamy, delicious coconut popsicles. So delicious. They're just the perfect sweetness, and they're just refreshing, and they're just perfect for summer, you guys. Your kids are going to love them. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Super easy and delicious coconut popsicles. Coconut paletas, whatever you want to call them. They're super delicious, you guys. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and if you do, please take a picture and tag me on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. I truly enjoy looking at your pictures. And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and just comment down below what other paletas you would like for me to do. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. And also hit that little bell so you guys don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.